Welcome to this training session on installing Cherrylock and Cherrylock rivets. Cherrylock and Cherrylock are commercial names for self-plugging mechanical lock blind rivets, as are Olympic lock and Huck lock. The procedures and application of these rivets sometimes vary. In this session we will specifically look at the differences between Cherrylock and Cherrylock. Both rivets, Cherrylock and Cherrylock, are blind rivets, meaning that they can both be installed without access to the inside. The Cherrylock rivet is used on thin materials that might be damaged by other rivet processes. Cherrylock rivets can be installed using non-cherry tools, making it somewhat more popular. Cherrylock rivets can be used on both thick and thin materials. Cherrylock rivets require a Cherrylock hydroshift tool for installation. The tool is double action and sets the locking collar of the Cherrylock. A Cherrylock tool is not double action. Cherrylocks are flush fitting, this means the stem breaks off flush with rivet head. Whereas, Cherrylock rivets do not break as close to the workpiece always. This is a Cherrylock bulb type. In conjunction with the unique residual preload developed by the high stem break load, its proven fatigue strength makes it the only blind rivet interchangeable structurally with solid rivets. Here is what a Cherrylock wire-drawn type looks like. Wiredraw rivets are locked spindle flush fracturing structural rivets with a wide range of sizes, materials and strength levels. This fastener is especially suited for sealing applications and joints requiring excellent sheet take-up. One difference between the Cherrylock bulbed and Cherrylock wire drawing types is the pulling action. Notice how the shear ring contacts the rivet sleeve as the stem is pulled. The shear ring bulbs, or expands the sleeve to secure the rivet. The mandrel or tip of the blind side before the wire drawing rivet is pulled is larger than the inside diameter of the rivet. As the rivet is pulled, the larger mandrel fills up the inside of the rivet, making it now too large to pass through the hole. The wire drawing type rivet is designed to give the best hole filling of any blind rivet and as such must be limited to applications where the blind side substructure has sufficient bearing strength to withstand the wire drawing installation loads. Wire drawing type rivets are not recommended for double dimple applications. Self-plugging, mechanical lock rivets are like self-plugging, friction lock rivets, except for the way the stem is retained in the rivet sleeve. This type of rivet has a positive mechanical locking collar to resist vibrations that cause the friction lock rivets to loosen and possibly fall out. This concludes this training session. We hope you found it useful.